Hi, welcome to another series on pruning, and today we're going to answer the perennial question that I'm sure somebody has. What do you do when this is not big enough? Hi, it's a beautiful day at Hazard Arboretum here at Wilmington College. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching our series on pruning. So, what do you do when your hand pruners aren't big enough, or in some cases, you have to reach up or something like that? And the question is, you use lopping shears. These are incredibly useful. Anyone that has a yard that's doing pruning, you really should get a pair of lopping shears. Now, the lopping shears, if you look, for instance, you'll see that they're all rated for different sizes. And once again, there's a couple different styles of these. There is bypass, which is this type. And if you look at our video on hand pruners, you'll see we talk about another type called anvil. And I won't get into that. You can watch that to learn more about anvil. These are my preferred ones. There's all different shapes and sizes. Once again, find a pair that feels comfortable in your hands. When they're comfortable in your hands, you'll use them. If they're uncomfortable, they'll just hang on your garage wall, and that's of no good for anybody. So we're going to talk about, obviously we're moving into bigger and better wood. So we actually get ready to use pruning shears, for instance. We have to start paying real close attention to the tree. Now, I don't know if you can see this. This branch may show up a little bit better, but this swelling right here is called the collar. And some trees, it's very easy to find the collar. Other trees, it's a little more difficult. Some trees have a really huge collar. Other trees have a really small collar. This is kind of medium. And what this collar does is, in the wild, if this branch dies and breaks off, this is the tissue right here in this swell that actually grows over that wound and seals that wound. So if you cut through the collar, you've cut through the ability of the tree to heal itself. So we want to cut right here at the edge of the collar. And if you look really close, you'll actually see there's almost like this nice little line where it pinches together. And you follow that line, and this will heal up in no time at all. So the question becomes, how big is too big? And this right here is about 1.25 inches. I wouldn't go much larger than this. And in some cases, if the wood is dead and extremely hard, you may have to go to using a handsaw because these will not be able to cut it. Now, you'll notice on this says 1.5 inches. That's a pretty big bite. So the first problem people have using lopping shears are, they try to do something, if it fits in there, they figure that they can cut it. And that's not the case. So just because you can fit a branch inside the jaws, it does not mean that it will cut. So be very careful you don't bite off more than what you can actually chew. So let's take a look at this right here. We're going to cut this branch. So obviously right here's the collar. We can see the collar even on this branch. We're going to make sure that here's the blade side down. We're going to take those jaws in there like that, and you want one nice smooth cut. If you have to start struggling, you're cutting more than what you should be cutting with these. And that's it. I mean, just be comfortable. Make sure you've got good footing. And if you want to know how to sharpen these, go back to our hand pruning video, and we actually show you how to sharpen these and oil these up. So same thing. Just like a set of hand pruners, except these got longer handles. Well, thanks so much for joining us today. If you like this video and you want us to do more content, hit that like button for us, would you? That lets us know that you appreciate this and you'd like to see more videos along this line.